What is up, guys and girls? This is Glen here once again with another RopeRage video. In this one, we're going to talk about jumping rope backwards and why you suck at jumping rope backwards. Now, obviously, I'm just being a bit funny, not trying to offend anyone, but there is one reason why jumping rope backwards might be a problem for you. I get countless emails and comments saying, I'm happy skipping rope forwards, maybe skipping rope backwards isn't for me, so I'm going to leave that. And that's cool also, but you are missing out. Jumping rope backwards helps you to develop your skill set, develop your coordination, and it's pretty good to show off to your friends and such like as well. So there is just one thing that you may be missing, and if you can apply this to your training, it will probably make a huge difference in that department. So when you transition from jumping rope forwards to jumping rope backwards, the thing you have to remember is you have to keep your hand positioning disciplined. Now, it's very easy to fall out of this because when you are rotating forwards, it's much easier to keep your hands in that hip bone region, tucked in towards the hips. But when you start going backwards, it's much more natural for your hands to extend out. And so you have to consciously override that till you get to the point where the repetition makes it a habit. You have to override the temptation to just relax, work on tucking it. The rule of thumb is you want to keep it in line with your hip bone. This isn't always comfortable and not always possible with the techniques you're doing, but you have to keep it as close to that area as possible. If you let your hands slip all the way out, it's all going to fall apart. And what happens is you've slipped out the center of rotation. The rope is now going to come around the back of your head and catch you on the back of the leg, and that's no fun. And that's about it. So be sure to try this out. Let me know how you get on with it down below. Be sure to share this with a friend who also sucks at jumping rope backwards, and yeah, let me know how you get on. I will see you in the comments section. Until next time, all the best with your training and stay raging. How's it going? Glen here. Thank you for checking out this video on the RopeRage Rapid channel. The aim of this channel is to provide you a kick-ass workout video in 3 minutes or less. But if 3 minutes just isn't enough and you're hungry for more, you can find a lot more detailed step-by-step breakdown tutorials and videos over on the primary channel, RopeRage. I'd encourage you to hit that link in the corner there, and I'll see you on the other side. Until next time, all the best with your training and stay raging.